Welcome to Mr. Murphy's first grade. Today in origami, we're going to do the project that I always do first with my first graders, which is making a cup. The cup is really cute. Depends, of course, on the size of origami paper you use. This origami paper is 6 inches. It's a 6-inch square. And you end up with a small cup. It opens. Sometimes in my class, we have a popcorn party some years, and then we use a little bit bigger paper to make cups, and we use our cups for scooping up the popcorn and holding while we watch a fun video at snack time or something. So these cups are neat, and they actually do work for water, but only one time, because paper will get wet from water, of course, and then we'll get a hole after, I don't know, a minute. The water will get through it and start leaking, and then it won't work anymore. So you do need square paper for origami. Almost all origami is done with square paper. If you don't have square paper, you can use regular 8.5 by 11 sheets and cut off one side of the rectangle to make a square. And you might want to get someone's help with that. That is tricky to do well. To make the cup, first we put the color side down. And if you have paper that's fancy origami paper and has color on both sides, well, then it doesn't matter. I have used origami paper before that had 2 different colors, like pink on one side and blue on the other side. So then, whichever color you want your cup to be, like I'm going to have mine green, that side goes down. So the color you want goes down. We're going to talk about corners and edges, and then the 2 other words are fold, where we fold the paper and it's curved and we flatten it, and then crease is when we go over the fold a few times to make it really flat and sharp. So we're going to start making the cup by taking one corner and folding it to the other corner, and you really want to take your time to line it up. And my white is just about gone, and the white's gone. Lining up your corners. Then you hold that down with one hand so it doesn't move, your lined up corner. And you go out to the fold. When you go out to the fold, this should be in the same place. Check, is your corner in the same place? And then all the way along the fold, flattening it out. And if it doesn't seem flat enough, you can flatten the crease. That's called creasing the fold. I like to have this part pointing toward my stomach. So the arrow is pointing away. Now I think of the next fold, which is 2 folds, you do it both times with both sides, as 2 arms going up and across your chest. So this one is going to come over here, and this one is going to come over here. The corner goes to the edge. And notice I'm not pushing my fold down yet. I want this line to go straight across like a bed, a horizontal line. So I'm going to go down. That looks pretty straight across. My corner isn't touching the edge, so now I need to go over and touch. That looks straight across, and my corner is touching the edge. Now I'm going to hold it and fold it. And then the other corner. Same thing, only this is already folded, so it's going to go to this corner. Sharp corner to that corner. I'm going to line it up and hold it, and pull it back and fold it. Doesn't really want to stay down, does it? Okay. This top triangle is actually 2, because we folded our paper in half at the beginning and made a giant triangle. This is the top of it. And these 2 arms have little pockets. See that? open it up. We're going to put the front triangle into the front pocket. And while it's curled like this, I'm pushing down and pushing down and pushing down and getting it in there nice and far. And then I'm going to pinch that fold and crease it. And the last step is to flip it over and fold the back triangle down. Only it doesn't go into a pocket, it doesn't go anywhere, it just goes back. I think of this as the front. And there is your cup. Nice cup. If you don't like the way it looks the first time, that often happens because origami is not easy, then you just make another one. And the second time, your origami project is always better than the first. Just follow along with the video again, step by step. And if you want to watch and then pause the video while you do the same fold, that's a great idea. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you soon.